Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Quick look at some of the Santa Marias I'm building now for sale. This is an open front Santa Maria grill with the fire bricks in it. This same style could also be done with a coal rack and an ash pan instead of fire bricks. The 40 by 20, these are set up with the front door, and it has an ash pan and a coal rack inside instead of the fire bricks. But it could be swapped out. It has a spring latch set up so you can set the rack wherever you want it. Also doing Santa Maria fire pits. If you're looking for any kind of grill or barbecue pit, smoker, I have my email in the description box and you can shoot me an email. Some are set up with the firebox on the side. Can also have the V-groove racks. Door rack set up so you can grill at different heights. But like I say, if you're looking for any kind of grill or anything, any custom fabrication, my email should be on the bottom of the screen and it'll be in the description box. You can shoot me an email. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.